Hey guys, it's Brett Wilson with CBD Supply Maryland. Just wanted to show you guys today in our video how to use CBD oil. A lot of clients come in, they're kind of unsure about what CBD is, how to take it, what the best type of product for them is. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use the product in the best possible way. So as you can see, there's a variety of different companies, a variety of different flavors, and a variety of milligram strength per bottle. So one of the most important things that we want our customers to see is that the amount of CBD per bottle is where it will help them the most. For example, you have RX Remedies right here, which is a company based in Baltimore, that has a 5 milliliter, 500 milligram bottle of CBD, or 1 milliliter will get you 100 milligrams of CBD. For today's video, we're going to be using Family Care CBD, which with this 500 milligram bottle, it's a 15 milliliter bottle, gives you around 33 milligrams of CBD per 1 milliliter. So just to kind of think about that, guys, when you're going out and shopping for different CBD products, these are some of the kind of things to look for. What flavor, what volume count, what strength, just so you get the best possible use for your product. So as you can see, it's a very easy process. You just unscrew the top, pinch the top of the tincture so the liquid goes up into the stem. You would then remove it from the bottle, place it underneath of the tongue. You would squirt the liquid into your mouth like so. And then you would hold it there for about 30 to 60 seconds. You want it to get underneath of that palate so it's absorbed right into that bloodstream through your oral cavity. So again, it's Brett Wilson with CBD Supply Maryland. Thank you again for checking in today and learning about how to use some of our sublingual oils. We hope to see you in our store soon at 7690 Bella Road at the Beltway Plaza Shopping Center.